That's a lot of optimism packed into 1 week. What do you have to say about that?
Well, let me not use my popular slogan today. Let me try to say it. My popular slogan is that I don't so much bother what the Osher Index does, and I like to look at what my portfolio is in. But when you look at the larger market, I think it has been a very impressive week. But you can see that this is largely driven by Dangote, Cement, and also Lafarge that drive the index to the level that. That's why I say sometimes I always want to look at my individual stocks. And if I'm not participating in those two stocks, then you look at MTN. It's largely driven by high cap stocks. Okay. And so optimism is high in the market. Like we said on Monday, last week we said this third quarter is always the earnings season. We're in October. October is always the earnings season for the third quarter results. So a lot of investors are pricing into some of this equity. And after seeing some of the impressive results, the half-year impressive result, and some of the results that have come out, especially from the consumer good, when you look at PZ. So we are expecting Cabre, we are expecting Bois. We're expecting a lot of these companies to come up with their earnings. So I think that's the optimism that is driving into the market. And again, when you look at the other space, you're looking at returns, you're looking at inflation coming down, then you're looking at where can you maximize return. You're also looking at, are there other means of investment that you can really key into at the moment? So the stock market seems to be one area that you can beat inflation. And with the low interest rate environment that we are now, a lot of investors are looking towards the stock market. I think that's the optimism.